In this video, I want to show you the best cost calculator plugin for WordPress. Hi, welcome to the channel. My name is Tim, and in this video, I want to show you the best cost calculator plugin for WordPress. So you can easily create cost calculator forms. And in today's video, I want to show you the plugin and how the plugin works, how you can install and set up the plugin. So this is the plugin website, and this is a paid plugin because I need some kind of good plugin, cost calculator plugin for my website, and the only chance for getting a really good and plugin that has all the features I need is to buy a plugin, because of course there are a few free plugins out there, but they are all limited in some kind of way. So the best thing is to buy one. And in this video I want to show you what this cost calculator plugin can do, what you can do with it, and how to set it up and so on. So now we are on the site of the cost calculator, and here you can see it is a drag and drop cost calculator, so it's really easy to build the forms and to grab the widgets and put it into the form here. So we're working with some shortcodes here, and you can see we also have conditional logic implemented in this plugin. So you can see, for example, here's a good example. If someone, if there's something, then you can make the logic that is, if it's true, then it goes this way. If it false, then it goes the other way. I hope you understand what I mean. And you can implement online payments. So if you want to create for your company some kind of form where people can order something from your company, and then they calculate it, for example, the weight of the product, or the quantity of the product, and so on. And this is really cool. So you can implement credit card, PayPal, and Stripe here. And you have also multi-step forms. This is really cool. So you can guide the visitor step by step through the process. This is great. So he outputs PDFs if you want this, and then you can integrate the cost calculator with different apps. You can see MailChimp, Zapier, Dropbox, and GetResponse, even Google Analytics. So everything you can imagine. You can even make signature fields and all this good stuff. So you can see why this plugin is a paid plugin, and here are all the features listed, file uploads, and I will link this product page in the video description down below, so you can check it out yourself and see if you like it or not, or if you're willing to buy this plugin or not, or if you need it. So what cost the plugin? The plugin, I bought this plugin for $6. So it's okay. $6 is okay for this plugin. And so then let's get started. So now we are on my WordPress website, and now I already downloaded the plugin. And then we go to plugins, and then we go to add new, and then we have to upload the plugin. So I click on upload plugin, then choose file, and I have it on my desktop here, somewhere here, plugins, calculator, and open, and then install now. I think it takes a little while because the plugin is really huge, or the zip file is really huge. So we have to wait a second. Okay, great. Now the plugin is activated. I put in my purchase code and then put it on auto update, because there is already an update for this plugin. So you can see the plugin gets updates on a regular basis. So this is really good. And okay, great. So now where is calculate forms? There it is. So let's click on it. Okay, no form. Then let's click on settings. Let's see what we have here. So we can see where's the currency. Okay, this is for PayPal. If we want to integrate PayPal, and here you can see Stripe, but I don't want this right now. You can, okay, Google Analytics and MailChimp. You can connect MailChimp and Google Analytics, but I don't want this either. So let's go to Add New. And then I want to, for this website, so I want to sell or I want to offer my clients or the visitor of the website custom websites. So I want to create a little calculator where they can calculate the cost of a website or an e-commerce store. Then yeah, let's do this. Let's name it website calculator. Perfect. Okay. Okay, these are all pre-made fields. So what I want to do in the first step, I want to choose what if I want to give the option if the customer wants to build a website, only a website, or an e-commerce store. So then we can do this with the radio button, I think. Let's put the radio button here. There we have it. Okay, the label, the value. This label we website. And here we are. Online shop, and we put it on required. For the moment right now, I think value is where we can put in the price. I think let's put, for example, 100. I think that's where the calculator gets the information, what thing costs how much. Let's put here, for example, 200. At fields, then I will go to text or HTML. No, text. Yeah, text is wrong, so I will delete this. Then I will take the HTML field, put it in here. That's good. So here's the HTML. What kind of website do you need? And maybe let's make it a little bit bigger. So it's HTML. Let's make it bold and let's close it. Okay. Oh. Choose your service. Okay, then at fields, we can make a slider, I think. How many pages do you need, for example? And here we can, minimum is 1, I think. Maximum is, let's make 15. And I'm not too sure how this works. Let's see here. No, that's another thing. Okay. Okay, the number field, we don't need this. We don't need this. Total. Is there an option to view this? So let me see here. Let's publish this real quick. Maybe we can have a preview here. Okay, post published. Let's click on view. That's not what we want. I think we want some kind of shortcode. Let's go to calculator forms. Maybe there's a shortcode. Okay, yeah, okay, we're working with a shortcode here. But then us make a new website. So let's copy the shortcode. Let's make a new page. Then we go to pages, add new. Okay, just to show you, I want to make a quick website. So I name it test, for example, and then I will put in here a shortcode widget and then paste in the shortcode, and then we click on save draft. And then we want to preview our website. This is possible. Yeah, open a new tab, please. Let's see how our calculated fields thingy looks. And there it is. Okay. Okay. Yeah, this looks good. So we can, yeah, perfect. This is exactly what I want. We can choose between this, and then we have this. This is great. So now let us see. Yeah, you can, if we go back to edit, so you can make literally every calculation. So you can add every field you want. And I think this is really, really great, because this is exactly what I need. And then let's check how the calculation works. So maybe let's add another thing. Let's add another radio button here to make a quick calculation. Oh, okay. Field name. Do you have hosting, for example? No. And yes. Let's make this, I don't know, just to show you, 100 and then 0. Required. Good. And then we go to total, and I think, okay, yeah, here you can see, here is where we make the calculations. So in our case, we want to add this, and then we go to insert. Which field is this? Let's check this. Radio 11 plus radio 11. Really? Come on. Okay, field name. Then let's make it hosting. And let's make this service. Okay, then let's go back to total. I don't understand why. Let me see. Service, yeah. Service is good. Service is the field name, and here's the field name hosting. And here you can add steps. So if you want to make it a multiple step form, then you can click here on the plus icon, and then you make the next step. Okay, but now I want to see how we can why is the field name, or is the field name here? No. Field name, yeah, service. Strange, very strange. Let's make it radio 11, for example, and plus undefined, I don't know. Make it a $sign here. Oh, what have I done? Okay, then let's click on update, and maybe this changed something. Okay, page is updated. Then let's refresh this here. Okay, the fields are here, and now, okay, the price is not updating. I don't know why right now. I think we have to figure out why the price is not updating, and this is because I don't know how to define the name of the field. yeah, this is the field is service, and this field is hosting. Let's make this 2 and this 1. Let's go back here. Okay, now it's that's strange. Service plus hosting. Oh, I think it's because we have to save it first. I think that's the problem. So let's make it service and then hosting. That's the problem. I think we have to save it first, that all the fields refreshed and that I got it. Okay, now it works, I think. So we click here on update. Yeah, but you see, you can build literally everything. You have all these elements here, all these widgets you can drag and drop here. Here you have buttons, and you can define the buttons with the pricing, and then the total, the calculation. Where is it? Where's the button? Total. You can put it in here, and then in total you can add the calculation, how you want to calculate it. You can add different calculation options. So let's go back here, and I think, or I hope, that is now working. Yeah, now we have a price. Yeah, perfect. And then now it works. So great. Okay, now we're talking. Okay, great. And I think I have to figure out how this works, because for every step you have to give another value. So in my example, only one page this has a specific value. Then if the slider goes to 2, then the number 2 has a specific value, dollar value, and 3, and so on and so on. And then you calculate everything, and here's the total. And then here in this case we have the name field. They can put in their name and their email, and then they submit it, and then I get the email, and everything is good, everyone is happy. So perfect. Yeah, I think this plugin is really good, and for $6 it is great. Advanced fields, you have date picker, email, everything. But you can see if you do this an hour, if you're playing around with this for an hour or something like this, then of course you figure it out. So you need a little bit time to get familiar with everything. I think the settings here, I have to play around a little bit. You can see the email text, messages, what kind of messages, and here payments. Yeah, I think this is really cool. It's a slim but functional plugin. Oh, I see you can even implement coupon codes if you need this. Yeah, so if you have a business where you want to offer your clients or your website visitors the option to calculate your products themselves, then I think this is a really good thing. You can implement it via shortcode in any page of your WordPress website, so it doesn't matter if you have the normal Gutenberg builder, website builder, or if you have Elementor or a Divi builder or whatever, Beaver builder or whatever. Then with a shortcode you can use it for all the kind of builders, because shortcodes are working everywhere. And so I think that's it for the video. So if you have any questions, then let me know in the comments down below, and I will try to answer your questions as fast as I can. And I think I have to play around a little bit here, and if I have a few minutes, then I will put everything together and make everything beautiful and so on. Okay, then I will also put the link to this plugin in the video description down below. You can check it out, read it. Maybe you need this plugin. I think for $6, it's okay. It's a fair price. So then, yeah, if you like the video, if you found the video informative, then give the video a thumbs up, please. And yeah, if you want to see more videos about WordPress, WooCommerce, and web design, and so on and so on, then make sure to subscribe to the channel. And yeah, thank you very much for your time, and thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.